Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Marvel Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a team or party to play the Marvel Rivals game together. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Rivals game on your device, and from the home page, you can tap on the play button to go into the play menu. From here, you can choose your match type at the right side above the start button from quick match, competitive, conquest, and various others. Now, before you tap on the start button, if you look at the left side, you will see your team. Just tap on the plus button underneath your username and you can invite any user on your friend list to play the game together. If you have added any person, then they will be visible within this list and you can simply select their profile to invite them into your game. After you have added them, their profile will appear underneath yours. And once you have created your team or party, you can tap on the start button by choosing your match type. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a team or party on Marvel Rivals to play together. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.